Hi, Paulo, and this video is by popular demand of entrepreneurs that I've met. Sales funnels. Some say it's the heart of a successful business. What's the concept behind it? Before we proceed, intro. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, it's all about earning money online. I show how to use platforms, monetize it, and scale the earnings to a full-time income. A bit about me. I used to be in the BPO industry, but then I wanted location and more time freedom, so I became a virtual assistant. But I also wanted financial freedom and more time freedom, and if you're a virtual assistant or still an employee or just trying to earn on the side, you'll never obtain financial freedom, but it's a good stepping stone. So the good thing about being a virtual assistant is you discover the platforms used for businesses, so I started learning more about those and began my research and self-study as much as I can and whenever I can. So now, I'm an entrepreneur and a business consultant, and I'm here to share what I know, especially the concept when it comes to scaling the income in the simplest and easiest way possible. So if that's your jam, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button as I'll be posting videos regularly because I just have so much to share. Let's go ahead and jump right into the content. So think of the sales funnel as a water funnel. So water funnel, you pour water in it. What happens is the funnel filters and separates the clean water from the dirt. Okay? So clean water goes out here and the dirt remains inside the water funnel. Okay? Now, let's go for the traffic source. Let's go with Facebook. So let's think of this as a sales funnel. All right. On Facebook, by the way. So you see those sponsored ads on Facebook. Okay. On those ads, in order to have if a person or if a lead by the way is potential customer. Okay, if a lead is interested with a product, what do? In order to access more information or find out more information about it or to buy the product, the lead has to enter their email, okay? Now, so those emails, think of it this way. So for a water funnel, water is being poured to the funnel. With the sales funnel, emails, okay? These are the emails. Emails are being poured into that funnel, to the sales funnel. So these are the emails. Okay. Emails go in. Now, not everybody who enters their emails will buy immediately. Some customers are just looking around. Some may have entered their email or interested with the ad because they may need it on a sooner date. All right. So everybody who's interested with the product enters their emails, all right? But some would also buy. So the buyers, these are the water. The buyers would be just like the water, the clean water. These are the buyers on the sales funnel. Now the dirt inside the water funnel, that would be the customers who are still deciding if they should buy the product or may buy it on a later date. Now, what does an entrepreneur or the company owner do with those emails? The company does, let me just make this a bit bigger. Company does email marketing. So they send emails to those people who haven't bought yet, all right? And what do they put on those emails? Reviews, testimonials to build trust and confidence of their clients. Let me just move this real quick. Okay. So what else do they send on those emails? Promotions, discounts, irresistible offers. So that's the entire concept of the sales funnel. If on a water funnel, you pour water in, on the sales funnel, emails go in. Okay? By the way, the page wherein we put in our emails, that's what we call an opt-in page. Some call it landing page, all right? So opt-in or landing page. Okay? So they enter their emails on the landing page or on the opt-in page. Not everybody buys yet, even those who have bought already. Entrepreneurs do an upsell, but I'll discuss that on another video. So be sure to subscribe, all right? And another thing, for you to know the place of the sales funnel on the online business blueprint, I'll just link the video at the very end of this video, okay? Because on the online business blueprint, I showed how the entire online business blueprint works, and you will also see there the place of sales funnel and how it works within the online business blueprint, which makes the online business blueprint a very, very effective blueprint, which is the reason why it's used by big companies and successful entrepreneurs. Okay? So again, going back to the sales funnel, if on the water funnel, you pour in water to filter the water, all right? In order to get the clean water and separate the dirt, you need a water funnel. When you pour in water, the dirt remains inside the water funnel. For the sales funnel, you're filtering so it's the process of filtering the buyers from the leads or potential customers, all right? So emails enter the sales funnel. Some would buy, but some won't. And for what you do with the emails as an entrepreneur, you do email marketing. The emails remain in the funnel. The entrepreneur, you as an entrepreneur, does email marketing. You send them reviews to build trust and confidence of the client. You send them promotions, discounts, and irresistible offers. So in the long run, they buy your product. You'll be able to make a sale. Okay? The reason why it's so effective, okay, for businesses is people entering their emails is as good as you'll be able to make a follow-up anytime. As long as the emails are there, you're able to make a follow-up to your clients as an entrepreneur. So the potential of making a sale is, of course, much bigger compared to The classic way of doing a business, like the mortar and brick businesses, where you have to contact them manually. No, because here, if you have thousands of customers or clients, you won't you wouldn't want to call them or message them individually. You'll be sacrificing time freedom. But with this, everything's automated. Now, I have another video coming up, or by the time you're watching this, it may have already been up. I'll make a video, or already made a video on how to create a sales funnel from scratch. So be sure to watch that video. All right. And from that video, I'll also give you a free access to the platform I use to create a sales funnel, so you can do it yourself and experience it as well. All right. I'll show you how easy it is. I'll also show you how you can monetize it. All right. So that's about it for this video. If you have any questions, just comment below and I'll either answer it or make a video out of it for you. And also, I have bonuses which you can find on the description of this video. I have a free email marketing masterclass, which is more than an hour, a high converting sales funnel, which you can already check if you want to see a sales funnel. All right, that's what I use to promote one of my top selling products. And I also have a high open rate rather. I also have a high open rate headlines, which you can use for your landing pages or your sales funnels, and subject lines for your emails. So that's about it for this video. I hope you learned something from this. I hope you're able to understand the concept behind the sales funnel. All right. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Let's go.